Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this tutorial video, we'll learn about how to log into QLS Lawyer. So first step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, type in QLS Lawyer. Now click on the link which says www.qls.com.au. This is the homepage of the QLS, which stands for Queensland Law Society. Here on the navigation bar on the right side, you can see My QLS Login. Click on it. Now you need your email address and password to sign in. So type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your password or your username, you can recover it by clicking on this link. If you don't have an account, you can click on sign up now and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and following this easy step, you are able to log in QLS Lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.